Ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
The cone, pretty sure that you a cracker, no Post Malone. I crack you up open, though you the joke. Your dessert spelled backwards when I expose, and trust me, you don't wanna smoke a dropper, con like a phone. Watch your crackers on the floor, so here's a cone for your crown. You dunce, fit for your throne, this microphone. A Brahmosa unload, we got this egghead for a line. Either way you get him poached.
Rakkam Sangma, ubalang Menteri Jongga Sarkar Jilla, ubapet ya ketenat border area development, haka khasau turik unai wing ajar arpulai, ula kerpat ya ke Sarkar Jilla, bahkan pediang ya ke jingterwa ban Pynïasoh da ke Lynti rel, ya ke Shnong Baghmara ke Badan Hasaut Garo Hills District, bat ya ke Nongbak Guwahati Assam, bat kintupru ya ke ri Bangladesh. Rakkam Sangma, ubalong ru MLA Jongga National People's Party, Narunggara Siju Ulaong baka Meghalaya Land Transfer Act baki kendon jong ka kernet bahan riu keriti sensyar keri India kide ki artli ki state ya dai ki nong shong shnong riu lum jong kani ka jilla Meghalaya habakin tho ya ka jing persha jong ki kattu katne ki kinhon ya ka jing thmu jong ka sarkar ban pinpoi ya ka Lynti rel shari lum jantia dak ba aidaw bakan penjur ya ka jingwan rung kinthap jong ki minderi bat ki breu ki banabar jong ka jilla. Hak kejengkran bagilat pathai khubor Rakkam ulaong bakani ke jingterwa ban Pynïasoh ya ke Lynti rel Baghmara kedai ke belas lambha naduk kepor Captain Williamson Sangma ubadang long menteri rangba jongga jilla.
Look, the first and foremost things about, if you talk about the railway, there was a proposal long time back when the Captain Sangma was the chief minister that to connect Guwahati with Haluagat, Bangladesh through Baghmara with the railways. I will also still demand to make this happen because like Baghmara can be the corridor for the Meghalayas, the northeast, which is can connect directly to Dhaka. The business, the trade can improve, and the employment generation will rise up. And lots of our young people are businessmen, our economy will improve. Therefore, it's my pleasure to demand to the government of India, and I will also meeting the chief minister very soon as a MLA from the district and local MLA, just to demand for railway to connect Guwahati to Bangladesh to Dhaka through Baghmara. Yeah, and look, Baghmara, this is my pleasure to request, and then we have also submitted a petition that Baghmara should be installed integrated check gate through which the overseas authorities can come in, the businessmen can come in, and if the railway connectivity can be done, and the economy of our people will be improved like anything else. But if it is possible, I would request the railways department, the government of India or the government of Meghalaya to connect Baghmara with the railway connectivity to Guwahati. But having said so, but to me, look, as an education minister today, I want to tell, every year I've been attending the most of the graduation and the convocation ceremony in the state. About more than 18,000 to 20,000 graduate, both graduate and postgraduate is being graduate every year. Out of 20,000 in a year, only 1,500 or 2,000 government job is being advertised. The rest 18,000 plus become educated, unemployed. Today, if the railway comes, the employees opportunity, the job opportunity may be increased. Yes, there may be issue with each one of us, with everybody, but now we have to decide merit and the demerit. Railway, coming in railway to Shillong, to the East Castles, may have the negative and the demerit also. But having said so, the merit is also there. The connectivity, the business opportunity, the job opportunity, right? All this connectivity. So I think because like in all the big cities, in all every stage, railway connectivity is there. Like in Dimapur, right? Like in Dimapur, they have railway connectivity. People from Garhwalas, they are going to buy some cloth from Dimapur for business because the cost is cheaper because all this they're directly coming to the railway. I think the business opportunity will increase. Therefore, like I would request that let our people decide what compare the merit and the demerit. So let whichever the heavier be prevail, I would say. When if the proper mechanism can be installed before things happen, I think I would request, why not we allow? Because the employments and the economy and the business is a need of the hour. Because if all our 18,000 every year, in 5 years it will be 1 lakh youngs unemployed graduate will be there. Where develop job? We need more industries. We need more railway. We need more entrepreneurs. We need more business sector. We need more market. We need more institutions which will create more employments to the young people. So I mean, what you call the livelihood is above all importance. Never today, as a son of the state, we should also find a way how to make our graduate employees. Therefore, today, yes, both are important. Influx and immigrant is also very, very important. We should also be taken on priority. But I think to me, yes, whether we may get ILP or not, it's an enhance of the government of India. But to me, the sixth schedule is our weapons. Sixth schedule is our weapons. Land Transfer Act and the provision of sixth schedule is our weapons. I think the provision of sixth schedule should be strengthened, and every students, every individual should know about this. And therefore, we want to introduce in the curriculum, in the education department, that every students must study about sixth schedule, about the Kasi Jaintia and the Garo people, the culture, the tradition, the food, the asset, the rivers, the potential that we have. So I think with all this thing, because the sixth schedule is a complete mechanism, is a what we call the Captain Sangma. Captain W. Sangma once stated, when somebody asks question, Sangma, what do you think? There are some people who want to do away with the sixth schedule. But what Captain Sangma stated, anybody who decide to do away with the sixth schedule, he is the most what you call the useless person on the earth, because it says the sixth schedule is a greatest pillar had laid down by the leaders of the past for the tribal people, especially for the Megadans. Therefore, sixth schedule is the greatest pillar, the greatest protection mechanism for all of us. Having said so, if the sixth schedule provision are strengthened, we are nothing to lose.